Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our tech and this is iPhone 6 in my hand, and the problem is that it's stuck on this iPhone boot screen. Means it's completely stuck on this blank screen. Basically, I think it's stuck on this DFU mode. So right now, this is the problem. Basically, while updating it to iOS 11, the phone suddenly stuck on this screen. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix that blank screen problem of iPhones. So basically, first of all, let's directly jump in the computer, and first of all you require to download Dr. Phone Toolkit from the given link below the description. You can check it out there, and after downloading it, simply install that Dr. Phone Toolkit, and let's directly now jump in the computer, and here it is. This is the Dr. Phone Toolkit for iOS recovery, and the very important thing is that you require the original cable which comes with the phone. So let's first simply connect this cable to the phone as it is, like connect it, and the phone will connect, and then simply open the Dr. Phone Toolkit for iOS, and here it is, system recovery. And you can also use this all data recovery, line backup. You can also use that for any other purpose from this toolkit, but right now I will use the system recovery to fix that blank screen problem of this iPhone. So it will when you connect this USB, the phone will automatically connect, and it will also detect the phone. Just simply leave the phone now, and so here it is. Now the phone is connected. It will show all the description about the phone, that is the iPhone 6 model. Now it's currently running on the system 10.3.2. basically I tried to upgrade it to iOS 11 directly. Sorry, it's maybe iOS 10.3.3, and suddenly the phone completely got off and it's completely stuck on this black screen. So let's and the phone is also not jailbreak. So here it is. Now simply click the next, and simply click over the download. The firmware file for this iPhone now will download, and the downloading the firmware will takes around 15 to 20 minutes. It's completely depends upon the network speed of the internet. So now let's directly escape this, fast forward this video. Okay, now the software has been fully downloaded, and it's now verifying the firmware package. So now let's see, and after that it will just takes around okay, now acquired. So here it is. The important thing is that it's a device model, and it's now upgrading to iOS 10.3.3. it will restore iOS 10.3.3, and the retain native data means if you want to retain your data on the phone, then you can retain it also. So I will retain my data because the data for this phone is very important for me. So right now retaining data and fix now. So now it's the process of repairing process has been started. Now from this part it will take hardly around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's see, and this method will work on all the phones, iOS, iPhone 5, 4, 5s, even it's work on iPads and iPods. And the very important thing is that if your phone's home key or power key is not working, then it will also work, because it does not require to hold the home and power to jump in the iTunes mode like that. So it will work on even your power key was not work, even your home key, it will work on both situation. So right now it's upgrading, it's 40% complete. Okay, finally the phones now is automatically jump in the iTunes mode. Right now again it's restarted, so let's see. Okay, while doing this process the phone will restart or like restart like several times, but you don't need to disconnect the cable of this USB from the phone. Right now it's restoring the file, restoring the item. Okay, right now the phone is completed, the repairing of operating system is completed. Now the phone is restarted, so here it is. So okay, here you can see the phone is already connected. Before the phone restarted, the phone is already connected here. Let me show you. Okay, sorry for that. Here it is, the phone has been already the phone has been already connected and showing the all the data of this phone. Right now all the videos which is stored in this phone is completely showing here. So that's it. So let's cancel it and clear that, and let's select the done and close it. Okay, so here it is, the phone has been now started, and let's check it. Is it okay, here it is, all the apps which I used is currently here on this phone, and even the call records has been also not deleted. So hey guys, what's up, welcome back to our tech exam. This is message also is on this phone right now. So here everything, the data of this phone completely secured, there is nothing deleted or vanished. So this is the way, in that way you can easily fix your dead iPhone or blank screen iPhone from this Dr. iPhone toolkit. So if you like my video, then please click on thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching this.